You asked, how to divide 7654 by 5 using the long division method. 7 divided by 5 equals 1. 1 times 5 equals 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Bring down 6, making 26. 26 divided by 5 equals 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 26 minus 25 equals 1. Bring down 5, making 15. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 3 times 5 equals 15. 15 minus 15 equals 0. Bring down 4, making 4. 4 divided by 5 equals 0. 0 times 5 equals 0. 4 minus 0 equals 4. The remainder is 4. The final result is 1530 remainder 4.